everything in the nature is in motion. There are various types of motions: circular motion, translatory motion, vibratory motion, oscillatory motion. Motion, that is the first aspect of nature to be studied by human beings. People have been interested in knowing what makes the body move. Around 2500 years back, Aristotle told if a body is to be maintained in motion, force is needed. That means if a body is to move with uniform velocity, force is needed. Then Galileo did experiments to show that force is not needed if a body is to move with uniform velocity. If you want to increase the velocity or decrease the velocity, force is needed. Now let us see Galileo's experiments on inclined plane. Here there are two inclined planes with the same inclination, angle of inclination. Here 60 degree, here also 60 degree, same inclination. This two surfaces and the horizontal surface are not smooth, it is rough. Then here you keep a ball will come down. Then after reaching the surface, horizontal surface, it will continue its motion, and in the second plane it will rise up to a height, not to the same height, only up to a height. Next, same inclination, but make the two surfaces and the horizontal surface very smooth. Now you can see the ball is rising to the same height. Here inclination same. Then these surfaces are smooth. So you can see the ball is rising to the same height. Here it is not to the same height, but here it is rising to the same height when surfaces are made smooth. Again, here surfaces are smooth. Then, but second plane, the inclination is reduced. Here, angle of inclination is reduced. Now you can see the ball is rising to the same height as here, but it is moving longer distance to rise to the same height. Now same height, but it is moving longer distance. So here angle of inclination is reduced. Again, here you can see angle of inclination is made 0. So in this case, ball will continue its motion. So it will go to infinity. If Aristotle's idea were correct, the ball would not have risen or would not have moved on the second plane at all. The reason, here there is no force in the horizontal direction. When it is coming down, gravitational force is there, but there is no force. Then ball would not have risen, would not have moved on the second plane if Aristotle's idea were correct. Now, as per Galileo, force is not needed if a body is to move with the uniform velocity. He came to that conclusion from this experiments on an inclined plane. See, when it is smooth, it is coming to the same height. From this is clear, body will continue its motion. Now this surface is made smooth, then this horizontal motion will continue. So here body is moving with a uniform velocity. If a body is to move with uniform velocity, force is not needed. This is an important discovery. This experiment was done in 15th century. Aristotle gave his idea 2500 years back. Newton depended on this experiment. Newton once told, if I have seen farther than others, it is because I am standing on the shoulders of giants. We have to include Galileo among these giants. Then from this experiments, Newton gave three laws of motion